Why is the primate family tree so hard to learn? Imagine trying to draw a family tree where everyone is related in complicated ways, and some relatives look like but aren't actually close. That's what studying primate relationships feels like. The primate family tree is tricky because primate evolution is full of twists and turns. Humans, chimpanzees, bonobos, gorillas, and orangutans all share common ancestors, but they split off at different times. These splits happened pretty quickly in evolutionary history, so the genetic differences are tiny and sometimes confusing. For example, some parts of the gorilla genome are more similar to humans than to chimpanzees, even though we think of chimpanzees as our closest relatives. This mosaic pattern makes it hard to draw clear lines in the family tree. Another reason it's complicated is genetic mosaicism. When species split from each other, their genes don't always follow a straight path. Instead, different parts of their DNA can tell different stories about who is related to whom. This is called incomplete lineage sorting, and it means that depending on which genes scientists look at, they might get different answers. So, piecing together the true family relationships becomes a puzzle. Primates also share many traits inherited from their ancestors. They all have forward-facing eyes, opposable thumbs, big brains compared to their body size, and complex social behaviors. These similarities can make it hard to tell which traits are old and which are new. Deciding whether a trait is ancestral or a new development requires detailed analysis and careful comparison. The diversity within primates adds another layer of difficulty. The order includes lemurs, lorises, tarsiers, monkeys, apes, and humans. Each group has evolved unique features to survive in their environments. This variety means the family tree isn't a simple straight line but a branching network with many offshoots. Behavior and ecology also influence how primates evolve. Some live alone, others in large groups, and their social lives shape their evolution. Understanding these behaviors helps scientists interpret how different primates are related. Finally, the fossil record is incomplete. Sometimes fossils are hard to find or don't preserve well. Genetic data can also give conflicting clues depending on the methods used. Combining all this evidence makes building the primate family tree a real challenge. From an anthropological point of view, studying these relationships helps us understand human evolution better. It shows that our history isn't a straight line but a complex web shared with many other primates. Recognizing this complexity helps us appreciate how our species came to be and why we are connected to other primates in so many ways.